Thermocare Industries Limited present automatic pan masala making plant and machines. Electronic control panel. Each and every equipment, tank, pre-cleaner, destoner, cyclone, cutters, air classifier, sifter, dryers, blowers, bucket elevators, conveyors, mixers, etc., involved in the process of automatic processing of Supari and tobacco can be controlled at one place with the help of electronic control panel. Supari storage tank. The first step of the process is to dump the whole raw Supari into the storage tank for further processing of the Supari. Labourers cut open the Supari sack and then they put the whole raw Supari into the storage tank. Bucket elevator. First bucket elevator is installed between storage tank and pre-cleaner. Supari is automatically lifted and carried from tank to pre-cleaner machine for its processing. Pre-cleaner. Pre-cleaner machine is used in pre-cleaning of the raw Supari from impurities like dust, dirt, etc. It is equipped with top-quality vibro motors which help in continuous vibration, and customized sized mesh along with it helps in cleaning of raw Supari. Bucket elevator. Second bucket elevator is installed between grader and destoner machine. Pre-cleaned Supari is automatically lifted and moved from the outlet of grader machine to a fixed certain height, and is automatically dropped at the top of destoner machine with the help of bucket elevator. Cyclone with blower fan. Cyclone comes along with blower fan, and is used to remove various type of light impurities such as Supari peel, rope, wire, dust, dirt, thread, etc. from the Supari. Cyclone is a crucial part of the destoner machine and works together with it. Destoner. Destoner is the second phase of Supari processing. The machine is used to remove heavy impurities such as stones, iron particles, glass particles, etc. from the Supari. Material falls onto the vibrating screen of destoner through bucket elevator and is cleaned and passed for further processing. Bucket elevator. Third bucket elevator is installed between destoner and cutter machine. Cleaned raw Supari is automatically lifted and carried from the destoner to cutter machine for its cutting process. Advanced cutter. Cutting of the Supari is the third phase of Supari processing. The machine is used to cut the cleaned whole raw Supari into various smaller sized pieces. Supari is equally distributed and dumped into all the 6 cutters machine with the help of a common hopper placed on top of each cutter machine, and the Supari after being cut is sent for further processing. Our cutter machine has a patent for its unique design and efficiency. Screw conveyor. Screw conveyor machine is used to automatically carry Supari from one place to another and helps in automatic movement of material. The equipment is attached at the bottom of outlet of all the Supari cutter machines, and the Supari after being cut from all the cutters is altogether carried ahead to bucket elevator machine. Bucket elevator. Fourth bucket elevator is installed between screw conveyor and grader with air classifier machine. Cut Supari is automatically moved from conveyor to grader machine for its further processing. Grader with air classifier. Supari grader machine is fourth stage of processing and is used to clean and grade the cut Supari into oversized, undersized and accurate sized Supari. It keeps on vibrating and customized mesh present in it helps in easy grading of the Supari. Bucket elevator. Fifth bucket elevator is installed for oversized Supari found and separated from the grader machine, and will now be brought back to the cutter machine for its recutting until the perfect required size is obtained. Air classifier with blower fan. Air classifier helps to separate Supari powder from undersized Supari, rawa. Grader is attached with a blower fan which blows out material directly from grader machine into the cyclone. Vibro sifter. Vibro sifter machine is used to separate the undersized Supari, rawa, from the Supari powder so that Supari, rawa, can be utilized in the Supari batch and the powder can be discarded. The machine keeps on vibrating which helps in separation of the material. Supari, rawa, is collected from the outlet of the machine. Bucket elevator. Sixth bucket elevator is installed for clean and accurate sized Supari found after being processed in each and every machine. Screw conveyor. Screw conveyor machine helps in automatic movement of Supari. The cut and clean Supari is altogether carried from the bucket elevator to Supari dryer machine for roasting process. Dryer oven. Clean and cut Supari is now automatically dropped into the dryer machine which will help to remove the moisture present in Supari, and at the same time it will make the Supari crisp and crunchy. Drying is the fifth and last stage of Supari processing. Our dryer has been certified patent by the government for its unique design and efficiency. Pulverizer grinder. Pulverizer machine is used to crush and grind the cashew, katha, biscuits which are in solid form into the powder form so that it can be mixed with roasted Supari along with other additive flavor and spices. Agitator liquid mixer. Agitator machine is used to mix various types of liquid material like compound, perfume, aromatic flavor, paraffin, glycerin, etc. All the following liquid material will be further mixed with Supari to make pan masala. Powder ribbon mixer. Powder ribbon mixer machine is used to altogether mix various type of powder material like cashew powder, katha, lime powder, tuna, MC powder, spices, etc. All the following powder material will be further mixed with Supari to make pan masala. Paddle coating mixer. The roasted Supari has now to be properly mixed and coated with the flavored powder obtained from ribbon mixer machine along with the liquid compound obtained from agitator machine. Supari coating and mixing is the last stage of processing of pan masala. Ribbon mixer. Tobacco ribbon mixer machine is used to mix the tobacco along with other liquid flavors, perfume, kimam, etc. Our mixer has been designed in a way which maintains proper buzz in the tobacco and does not damage the delicate tobacco leaves. Dust collector. Dust collector machine is installed across the complete factory unit. The machine sucks Supari dust, atmospheric dust, Katha powder flowing across the working area, which helps the labor to work properly, and at the same time it collects the precious Katha powder separately into filter bags. Working of dust collector. Various ducts are installed across the factory unit to suck the dust and make the working environment clean and dust-free. Our uniquely designed dust collectors works very efficiently at lowest running cost. Pouch packing machine. Completely processed and ready to be consumed pan masala and tobacco is now packed into the pouches. Supari is fed into the hopper and laminate roll is attached at one end, and then machine automatically packs the material into pouches. It is the first stage of packaging process. Outer pouch sealing band sealer. Band sealer machine is used to seal the outer laminate packet, inside of which multiple packed pouches of pan masala and tobacco are kept and wrapped all together. It is the second stage of packaging process. Online check weigher. Online check weigher machine is used to weigh the packed outer packets of pan masala and tobacco accurately and precisely in grams, and at the same time it rejects the overweight and underweight material to avoid future consumer complaints. Heat shrink wrap tunnel. Heat shrink wrap tunnel machine is used to automatically seal pack various number of packed packets of pan masala and tobacco all together in a plastic film, which then goes into a heating tunnel which shrink wraps them all together. It is the third stage of packaging process. Carton taping. Carton taping machine is used to automatically apply the adhesive tape to completely enclose the carton in which the packed packets of pan masala and tobacco has been kept. It is the fourth stage of packaging process. Carton stretch film wrap. Carton stretch film wrapping machine is used to automatically wrap the stretch film over the packed cartons and is the fifth and last stage of packaging solution. Cartons, online check weigher with printer. Online check weigher machine is used to automatically weigh the cartons packed with pan masala and tobacco in it. At the same time, machine prints the overall weight of carton on it and rejects the overweight cartons to avoid loss of material. Pouch shredder. Pouch shredder machine is used to cut the discarded or returned pouches of pan masala and tobacco from the market and separate its material from laminate of the pouch so that the material can be utilized and reused in the next batch. Hydraulic baling press. Hydraulic baling press machine is used to compress the large amount of waste plastic pouch laminates into a smaller chunk, which helps in easy handling and disposing of laminates. Thermocare provide complete setup of machineries required for manufacturing pan masala and tobacco, ranging from production capacity of 100 kg per batch till 20 tons per batch. Machines at Thermocare are built up with heavy duty and top quality material, along with innovative engineering which provides more efficiency and production to the customers at low running cost.